Okay, YouTubers, this is where I'm at. Got the bike all broke down. I've got it welded up, primed up. I'm using a real thick automotive primer just to get rid of some of the flaws and swirl marks in it. And then, see if I get a better picture back here. Yep, there we go. So that's it. Just got it primed up. Now I'm gonna paint it. The paint that I got wasn't sure what color I was gonna paint it. I was thinking maybe like a bright green, but I couldn't find a color I liked. I was thinking, why not this hammered copper color? I think that'll look good, and that'll hide some of the imperfections in the metal. So I'm gonna give that a shot. So yeah, that's where I am today. Just getting this all. Like I said, just got it welded up. Took me 2 hours to get everything welded up and grinded down and stuff. So now I'm just priming up and gonna paint it. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. Stay tuned.